Attorney, we understand you met with the Apollo Kibuloy this week. Ano po ibang kinalabasan ng meeting niyo? And tanong ng lahat ngayon, is he going to face either the Senate or the House of Representatives?
We will know that po because to the extent that I can reveal it to the public without compromising a lawyer-client relationship, hindi lang naman po ako actually ang nakipagpulong kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. We have a legal team sapagkat marami naman pong matters na hinahandle, and all of the teams reported back to him, yung sa Senate, kami sa House, yung sa mga ibang mga kaso, and we discussed with him the options available to him after thoroughly studying all the statutes and jurisprudence, including ruling case law, and we laid down the options available to him at this moment for him to be able to make an informed decision about all of those matters.
Okay.
Ano po kaya yung mga options na yon? And ano po kaya yung pinakamalapit na napupuso ang option ni Pastor Kibuloy?
Well, I'm not at liberty to discuss that kasi mare-reveal po yung that would be part of lawyer-client work product that we cannot reveal without the express consent of our client.
Okay. Attorney, process of elimination na lang, ano? Gawin natin. At the very least, Attorney, will he appear before the Senate? Will he appear before the House?
Well, I can neither confirm nor deny any of the options you are asking me to confirm or deny, because that would be tantamount to revealing client confidences.